Hello, hello. So this is just a quick overview of the deadline funnel dashboard. So when you log in, it should theoretically come to this page. If it doesn't, this is the bullseye icon here. If I click that, it just comes back here. And same with this 3 lines, the view all campaigns button, that also comes to this page. Second in line is the tracking code. So this is the code that you're going to use for everything. For every campaign, for every funnel, you use the same tracking code. So you get the tracking code and then you get the inline timer, which is what you'll display on pages. So sales pages, etc., that you want to display a timer. The plus button is create a new campaign. Pencil is edit a campaign. Event tracking. So yeah, you can track your stats. You can look at each of the individual campaigns and what those look like in terms of who's being tracked and what they've done. Next in line, we have API integrations. So this is where you're going to integrate not all softwares. ConvertKit is definitely one. So like the mail service providers, you'll need an integration for. ClickFunnels, I don't believe you need an integration for. You just have to display the timer code. And most page builders, you just display the timer code. So the integrations, this is where it is if you need to add an integration. And then my account. So you can change, your information, your name, etc. You can change your plan. Basically everything that you'd need to do within your account. Custom URL is in here, and then there is code snippets. So if you want to do something other than the traditional or mostly used timers, and you want to do something, I don't know, unique to you, they give you these codes here. You would want to use this if you want to display some information before the timer goes off versus what happens after the timer goes off. So like this says, anything in here will only be shown before the deadline. So anyway, that is the deadline funnel dashboard in a nutshell. Something that you can do if you feel like you're struggling with a little bit or you need some more support is go to the quick start option. And then obviously there's also, sharing a friend or sharing with a friend and lots of other options that you can explore. But for the most part, you're just going to need the tracking code section, the campaign section, and the integrations.